How to create a private Facebook group. In order to do that, head over right here to your three lines, click right here to your group option, and then click on this plus icon right around here. From in there, click on this create a group, and then after that, this will load in order to show you the options that it actually entails. So you can head over and then refresh it if it's actually not working from there. So let me head over and then do this again, and then just name your group right here. So for example, let's name this K-drama. And in here, because your privacy, click on this choose privacy, choose right here the private option, click on done right here, and then you can also change it, and you can also hide your group. You can make your group hidden and only share the link, or you can also make this visible to anyone. Now click on the create group right here in order to create your own group. So that's how you create a private Facebook group. Hope we helped.